in technical drawing, there are times that there are not enough dimensions on the drawing, and when that happens, you will need to use the existing dimensions to find the missing ones. And I'm going to use this example to show you what I meant. Now in here I have this arc. This arc has a radius of 1.8, and I have this one is 1.1, the radius 1.1. However, I do not know this radius for this arc, so I do not know this. But what I know is that I have this information. I have this arc, and the radius of this arc is 1/4 inch by 2 places, one over here and one over here. So x2 means 2 places. Now when that happens, this basically tells you that the distance is a diameter of this radius or this arc. So that's 1/4 inch on both sides, which is 1/2 inch. This means that this is 0.5 inch distance. So when you look at a rectangle, and if there's a rectangle, that's the center of that line, and I create an arc like this, a half circle basically, and this is tangent, that's tangent to the arc. These two, the line and the arc, is tangent. Same over here. This arc, or this point, this tangent point, this arc is tangent to the big one. Same over here. Small one is tangent to the big one. And that basically tells me that the diameter of the circle is the distance between the two lines. So in here, this distance between the two lines is the diameter of the circle. And same thing here. This distance basically is the diameter of this arc. So 0.5 inch, basically in here, 0.5 inch. So this radius is R 1.3. And also this point, in order to find this point, you know, one thing is that this is 0.9 inch from this horizontal line, this x-axis. So this is easy to find. However, we want to know where is it exactly in the center. You do not know what it is in the x-axis. You do not know what this number is. And even though if you know, it will not be accurate. So what you have to do is that, you know, one thing is that this center point basically is in between these two arcs. So basically you can create another arc that go in between the big one and the small one. So once you create this arc, and the intersection of this arc and this 0.9 line, you will have this point, and this point is the center point of this arc. And then now the question is, how big is this arc? What's the radius of it? And if you look at this number, is 1/4 inch less than this big arc. So basically it's 1.8 minus 1/4 inch. So the R is going to be R 1.55. So this is how you use the existing information or existing dimensions in the drawing to help you find the missing ones.